Alright, so I have to remove the track bar and install a drop bracket for the track bar. Starting with this cotter pin. This is a crusty cotter pin. Took me a few hours to get out. I bashed the pin in enough to twist the nut right over it. Alright, so that's the nut. Put that down there. Gotta get this bar off somehow. Here we go. Lucky bucket. So it's a bit nerve-wracking, drilling holes into a frame. Ickbad, hit the power. Thank you.
Woo!
Oh, I think I broke my drill. Yeah, I think it's broken. Oh. Almost there. See if this fits, lines up properly. Wasn't really lining up very well, and this is where I started to get pretty anxious about it. Try again. Oh, looks like it lines up when you put it on backwards. You guys are lucky you don't gotta sit through all the drilling I sat through. I swear to God, it was like 2 days of drilling. Broke this drill. This is kind of nerve-wracking because I'm not the most accurate person. Oh, why is it not fit now? Yeah, they took away my metal hammer because I kept hitting myself with it. Fit. Maybe if I tighten this some more, it'll fit. Please fit. No. Not supposed to have that metal hammer. Well, if this drill bit fits through, maybe the bolt will fit through too. Let's try this long screwdriver. Yeah, that definitely fits. Oh, just get lined up already. What's with the little screwdriver? Get on in there. Go on, get. One more time. Alright, that's all tight. One small step for Jimbo, one large step for mankind. And that, folks, is the track bar drop bracket done.